Hello friends, today I'm going to show you a string pattern. This is the pattern. You know a string is a set of characters and each character in a string have index value. So if I write BLUEJ as a string, then index value of B will be 0, L will be 1, U will be 2, U will be 3 and J will be 4 because index starts from 0. Before going to this pattern, we have to know two string handling functions. One is length function, which will calculate the total length of the string, and another one is char function. It will extract the character at the specified index position. So if I write this pattern with index value, then it will be look like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1 and 0. You can see this is a number pattern. To make this number pattern, we have to create two loops. But before that, you have to identify what will be the first loop and what will be the value of second loop. You can clearly see these all are equal. So in that case, our first loop will be this one, that is 4 to 1, 4 to 0, sorry. And the inner loop will be 0 to 4 to 4. So our program will be assuming that BLUEJ is a string, string str is BLUEJ, intl str dot length. Here L will contain the length of the string, that is 4. Now that is 5 because length is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5, L is 5. Now we have to create two loops. Int I equals to, what will be this is the first loop. For int I equals to 4, but here I will write L minus 1 because L containing 5 and here we need 4. So it will be L minus 1. I greater than equals to 0 and I minus minus. Next, the inner loop will be 0 to 4 for int j equals to 0, j less than equals to I, because I have taken the slanting value for outer loop, j less than equals to I and j plus plus, as it is incremental loop. Now system dot out dot print str dot caret j. str.caret j will extract the value from the index position. Like 0 means B, L means here 1 means L. So it will be now print this pattern. System.out.println. Our program will be completed. First of all, we have to create this number pattern, and if you create this number pattern, we have to write just system.out.printj. But in case of string pattern, we have to create str.caret j to make this pattern. So our program is ready. Thank you for watching. Keep watching.